In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pin on Facebook Messenger. Alright, so I'm starting off by opening up Facebook, and once it loads, I'm right here on the main screen. From here, I'm going to head up to the Messenger icon, which is that little chat bubble usually at the top. I'll go ahead and click on that, and now I can see all my conversations. So now that my messages are open, I'm going to select a contact. I'll just scroll a bit and tap on one of the chats, and that takes me right into the conversation. Alright, once I'm inside the chat, I'm going to look for the message that's currently pinned. So I'll scroll through the conversation until I spot the pinned message that I want to change. Okay, I've found the pinned message. So what I'm going to do now is tap on it to bring up more options. Once I tap on it, I'm going to look for the three dot icon, and I'll go ahead and click on that to open up the menu. Now from this menu, I'm going to select unpin, so I'll tap on unpin, and just like that, the message is no longer pinned. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to pick a new message to pin instead. So I'll scroll through the chat again and find another message that I want to highlight or keep easy to access. Okay, I've got the new message right here, so I'm going to tap on it just like before. Once I tap it, I'll again go to the three dot icon to open up the options. Now I'm going to click on pin. So I'll tap pin, and just like that, the new message is now pinned in the conversation. And that's pretty much it. I've just removed the old pinned message and replaced it with a new one, all inside the same chat.